Good morning. Thank you for viewing my YouTube channel, Auction Find 702. Did some garage sale hunting this morning here in Henderson, Nevada. Found a couple of yard sales. Came across a few items really cheap. I just want to point out a few things I got here. Here I have a pair of prints. It seems like they're collectible. I looked them up on eBay. They look like they go anywhere from $30 to $100 for each one. I paid $1 for each of these. And you can see here, got a signature, got Hargrove. Oh, here we go. Registration number, model number, signed. Pretty unique. In this tub, a lady, she wanted to get rid of everything. I made her an offer. She wanted $1 for 10 items. I just gave her $3 and I got this entire tub. Came across a few collectible VHS tapes, some DVDs and some CDs. A couple of notable ones I want to point out is this Wonder Woman. It's a vintage collector's edition. It's pretty cool. I got two of them, two different series. Like I said, I only paid $3 for this entire box, and I came across those. Looks like I came across some vintage VHS werewolf type movies, Dracula movies. Got quite a few VHS tapes here. I got Rat, got another VHS Rat. Looks like some music videos. We got the Scorpions, Mr. Big, Warrant. Got Madonna, Truth and Dare video. Slaughter, Metallica. Quite a bit. I'm gonna go through this. You can find me on my eBay page, Auction Find 702. You'll see those listed. Over here, I paid $2 for each of these games. They're sealed, Uncharted, and Batman for the PS3. Made a deal with a lady. They didn't have the charger, so I told her I'd give her $3. Picked this Nintendo 3DS up for $3. I have a charger here. I'm going to charge it up, see if it works. Probably does. It's in really nice condition. Paid $1 for these elevated leg rests. They go on a wheelchair. Probably get about 50 to 75 bucks for a pair. So over here I got a metal detector. Pretty cool. One of my first metal detectors I picked up at a garage sale. It's in really nice condition. It's called Bounty Hunter Tracker 4. I only paid $5 for that metal detector right there. They were asking 10. Made them an offer for $5. Paid $1 for this entire box. Got all kinds of power supplies, a lot of different cords, a whole bunch of stuff. Really nice. Only paid a couple bucks for that. Here I have a really nice vintage mahjong set. Looks like it's in complete condition. Really cool. So got this here. Only paid $5 for this mahjong set. See, this is probably the best thing I got today. They're doing a moving sale. And this is a Hermes. It's made in Switzerland. It's a typewriter, vintage typewriter. They were asking 20 bucks. I opened it up. It is in immaculate condition. This is a really nice typewriter. What's really cool is it has all its ribbons. It has its manufacturer brochure. But most importantly, I looked inside here. It even has its receipts from when it was purchased back in 1970. And it even has the service work that was done to this here. And it's amazing, as you could see, 1970. Back then, 291 bucks. It's a Hermes 10, I believe. That's what it says on here. I have to look that up. But I only paid 10 bucks for this entire typewriter. Comes with its case. It looks like it's in great working condition. But I looked on eBay and it sells anywhere from several $100s all the way up to about $800. So wipe that down. I'm gonna post that. You can find all my items listed on eBay, Auction Find 702. I probably spent less than $30 here, maybe less than $25 I probably spent and got all these items here. It's probably over $1,000, $1,500 worth of items. Other than that, follow me and I'll see you then. Bye.